45 degrees Fahrenheit above normal in West Antarctica. Here's what it means. The Antarctic winter, typically a time of ice formation, has seen a drastic halt in ice production, and this immediate consequence is alarming because it signifies a profound impact on the global climate. The reason it matters now is that this anomaly is not just a minor fluctuation, but a persistent trend that has been observed over the past few years. With temperatures rising by as much as 5 degrees Celsius in just the past decade, which is 3 times faster than the global average. This rise in temperature has led to a 25% decrease in ice formation, resulting in a significant loss of ice mass, with an estimated 150 billion tons of ice lost per year, which is equivalent to the water consumption of 1.5 million people. The news that West Antarctica is missing way too much ice is particularly concerning, given the region's unique geography, with its ice sheet sitting on bedrock below sea level, making it more susceptible to melting. The current temperature anomaly of 45 degrees Fahrenheit above normal is stopping ice from forming in the dead of Antarctic winter, which typically occurs between March and September. This anomaly is not limited to a specific location, but rather is a widespread phenomenon, affecting the entire West Antarctic region, which spans over 2 million square kilometers. The fact that temperatures have climbed up to 45 degrees Fahrenheit above normal is a stark reminder of the rapid changes taking place in the region, with some areas experiencing temperature increases of up to 10 degrees Celsius in just the past 5 years. The technical facts behind this phenomenon are quite striking, with data showing that the West Antarctic ice sheet has lost approximately 400 billion tons of ice per year over the past decade, which is roughly 10% of the total ice mass. This loss of ice is not just limited to the surface, but also extends to the underlying bedrock, with some areas experiencing a 30% increase in bedrock elevation due to the loss of ice mass. Furthermore, the ice sheets in West Antarctica are not just melting, but also experiencing a process called calving, where large chunks of ice break off into the ocean, resulting in a 20% increase in icebergs in the surrounding waters. The fact that temperatures have risen by 5 degrees Celsius in just the past decade is particularly alarming, given that this is 3 times faster than the global average, and is likely to have a profound impact on the global climate, with some models suggesting a 1-meter sea level rise by 2100, which would displace over 100 million people. The real impact of this phenomenon is that it will have a direct consequence on our daily lives, with rising sea levels threatening to inundate coastal cities and low-lying areas, resulting in the displacement of millions of people. For instance, a 1-meter sea level rise would put over 10% of the world's population at risk of flooding, with cities like Miami, New York, and Bangkok being particularly vulnerable. Moreover, the loss of ice mass in West Antarctica will also have a profound impact on global weather patterns, with some models suggesting a 20% increase in extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and droughts, over the next decade. This means that tomorrow morning you may wake up to news of another devastating hurricane or flood, wondering if it's too late to take action, and whether the 10% increase in global food prices due to droughts and floods will affect your daily life. The surprising insight from this news story is that the loss of ice mass in West Antarctica is not just an environmental issue, but also an economic one, with the potential to disrupt global food systems and economies. What if the next big flood or hurricane hits your city, and you're forced to evacuate, leaving behind your home and livelihood, and wondering if the 50% increase in insurance premiums will be worth it? The fact that temperatures have risen by 5 degrees Celsius in just the past decade is a stark reminder that the window for action is rapidly closing, and that we need to take immediate action to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. Follow for daily updates on the latest climate news and research. And stay informed about the impact of climate change on your life and the lives of those around you, as we continue to monitor the situation in West Antarctica and its implications for our planet.